This conference will now be recorded.
See guys, see it very carefully. In the previous session, what we discussed, once we can recap it and then we can go forward. Okay. In the previous session, we discussed the things like what are the alerts, how to switch to alert, alert accept, alert dismiss, alert send case, confirmation alert, and I can say the simple alert, and I can say that prompt alert. Get text method will be used to get the text over the alert, and after that we use actions class. What is the actions class? Actions class are used to handle both keyboard and mouse operations. Which type of keyboard operations we are not yet discussed. Coming to mouse actions, like move to element, right click, double click, right click in Selenium we can say it as a context click. If you want to perform right click with the help of the context click method, we can perform element methods. And these are the things we click, double click, right click, move to element. This can be achieved with the help of the actions class. In the actions class, last statement should be the, what is the last statement in the actions class? I can say that in the actions class, last statement should be the perform. Without perform, it won't get executed. If you want, you can try and check it. Okay. Without perform method in actions class, it won't going to perform method in actions class. These are the things that we discussed in the Selenium. Now today we are going to discuss few more topics that is related to the keyboard methods, how to perform keyboard operations, and then we can go with the X paths. The pending concept in actions class is that we are handling with the keyboard keys. How to handle that I am going to teach you. Observe very carefully. Today class we are going to discuss about the things like actions class to handle what, to handle keyboard keys. In keyboard we can perform different types of things. Enter, okay, space, tab, caps, shift, control, windows, these are the different types of keyboard actions. Okay, in the interview room they will ask you how to achieve keyboard actions through Selenium. You are ready to say answer like this. By using actions class in Selenium, we can able to perform keyboard action. I can say that with the help of keyboard, with the help of actions class, we can perform keyboard actions in Selenium. That's it, guys. With the help of actions class. Basically, in actions class, previously what we learned in the previous session, we learned about with the help of actions class, keyboard action, sorry, mouse action, like double click, context click, context click in a sense of right click. Make remember, very, very, very important. Context click in a sense, this is called a right click operation in Selenium. Okay, right click operation in Selenium. Okay, and now we are going to discuss about few things about the keyboard. In the keyboard we can perform different type of things. I can say that I can click on tab, I can click on control plus A, I can click on control plus C, and I can click on enter, I can click on space, and I can click on caps lock. Okay, like X, different things we can perform. We can perform with the help of this, with the help of this actions class. Anything it may be. It may be numbers, it may be function keys, F1, F2, F3. This is also we can perform F1, F10, whatever it may be. We can perform numeric keys 1, 2, 3, 4 also. We can enter with the help of actions class. How I am going to perform actions class? First of all, I am going to say take one best example site. Then we are going to use it. Keyboard actions in Selenium. See. 1 second context clicker. I can give you some better site. We are copying some URLs for the purpose of the keyboard or mouse actions. I can copy this URL. What happened, we'll see. Then we can go with some other URLs. Oh no. I need some better examples for URL. Okay, I can use some other thing. 1 second guys, be online. I can use some better site for our practice purpose. For our practice. By using actions class, we can do it. What are the things we have? Some basic URL we can use. Yeah, we can try in this site. What happened? One minute, guys. I can provide you better URL for the practice. Let's export broken. 1 second, guys. I can tell you better sites for practicing of this keyboard actions in Selenium. I found one site for the practicing of keyboard actions. I can able to get it for you people. Be online, 2 minutes. 2 minutes, guys. I can able to provide you. Tools QA we can use for our practice. Yeah, it's going on. We can take this URL. We'll see what happened. See, if I enter my name as a guru, I want to click on tab. In this way, we can do it, or we can do it by with the help of other things. 1 second. I'm not able to find the exact practice of these things. Buttons, checkbox, radio buttons, text box, checkbox. 1 minute, guys. I will check and let you know. 1 minute. Try in this site in Facebook. I can let you know. See, in the Facebook, I want to click on this button. How basically we can get the export of this button, and we are going to perform that actions, please. But instead of that, we can go with other way also. I can teach you how means I can tell you 1 second. There is a one site is there, the internet hero keys. Yeah, app.com. Yes, in this, yeah, very easy site for our practice, guys. Yeah, I can search with the key presses. See, observe very carefully, guys. See, if I enter space, it is giving space. If I enter, it is being you entered. Tab, caps, shift, control, shift, caps, escape, F1, Windows. That everything will be opened, will be given here. Whatever we entered, that will be given here as space. Alt, tab, control, right, up, down, arrow keys, end, page down, page up, home, delete. What are the buttons we can perform on the keyboard that going to reflect here. Very simple concept, but basically I am looking for the better URL for our practice. That is the reason I waited for this up to this amount of time. But very simple, same as actions class, we using mouse actions, the same as we are using keyboard actions. Very small concept and very easy concept is. Don't worry, very small concept and very easy concept. With this URL, see if I enter space, tab, caps, shift, control, okay, function keys, space, alt, whatever you press with the help in the keyboard, that will get replicated here. In this way, we are going to test that it is actions keys are working or not. See, I can tell you how we can going to perform these keyboard actions in Eclipse. Same as we are going to perform whatever we perform with the help of the actions class in mouse keyboard. The same thing we are going to perform with the actions class with keyboard. How keyboard actions we are going to perform? Observe very carefully, guys. I can tell you some more examples as well as. Now we discuss about actions concept with the help of the. Now we are going to take demo on keyboard actions. Keyboard actions. In this class, we are going to practice about the keyboard actions. Observe very carefully how I am going to do it. The first we need to install the driver. How to install the driver? Anyone? WebDriver manager.
Dot from driver dot setup.
Dot setup. And then we need to install the
WebDriver driver is equal to new Chrome
New.
driver.
And then we need to maximize our screen. How driver
dot manage dot window dot maximize.
I want to open the URL.
Drive dot get.
We need to pass the URL, this URL. And then we need to perform some keyboard actions. How to perform keyboard actions? With the help of actions class. actions, okay, and then reference action, anything we can take it, new actions, okay, wherever the driver is there, on that location, I want to perform actions class, and then say action dot, I need to perform some keyword actions. I want to enter, I want to press enter keys. How we can achieve it? By using send keys, symbol keys dot enter dot perform. What is the last statement? I need to perform perform. Simple way we can do it. See, if I want to enter multiple keywords, we can do it. See, dot. I want to enter some more things. Keys dot space. I want to click on space. Again, I want to enter send keys dot keys dot. I want to enter caps lock. I think caps escape is there, caps is not there. Escape. I want to enter few more things. That is what I want to perform send keys dot. I can say that control button. I want to perform right arrow key. Simple. Send keys dot arrow, right arrow. Arrow right. You know where is arrow. And the last statement should be perform. To perform all these actions, we need to do these things. Okay, whatever it may be, we can press any number of keys. We can press single key, we can press multiple keys. See what happens, see, observe very carefully. Every time it is going to perform. These are all the keywords it is going to press in this application. Enter, space, escape, control, arrow, whatever we define, all the things it is going to perform. See, it's already done. It's very fast. I can show you in a very slow manner. I will teach you. Observe very carefully. Dot perform, and then I need to perform another thing after 2 seconds. Basically, Selenium is very speed. We cannot able to look into the code. Same action dot send keys dot what we need to enter. I am going to take cancel. It is going to perform. Click on cancel button. Dot perform. And after 2 seconds, I am going to perform few more things. I am going to copy the same code. We need to do add declaration. We need to give alignment. And then I want to perform some more keyboard actions. I want to perform like a space bar, simple. It's going to take space. Now see, first it is going to click on enter. And then after 2 seconds, cancel. After 2 seconds, space. Whatever we want to perform, those keyboard actions can be performed with the help of the actions keys using send keys method. Inside the send keys, we need to pass keys dot whatever the button we need to press. See, entered. After 2 seconds, cancel. After 2 seconds, space. Whatever we require, that we are going to enter with the help of the actions class. In the actions class, we need to use the send keys. See, I can take some other thing. See, you need to know this all the concepts, and when you go to real time, you can able to understand where need to implement. Keys dot chart. I can say that I can say some other keywords. I can say tab also we can able to enter. And then after 2 seconds, I need to close browser. See, happily it is going to close the browser. First enter, cancel, space, tab. These things it is going to perform, and then it is going to close the browser happily. See, observe very carefully. What are the buttons we perform? Those buttons, this can be achieved with the help of the actions class. In the action class, which method we are going to use? In the actions class, we are using send keys to cancel, space, tab. Yeah, last statement tab also entered. After that, it is closed. Okay. In this way, it is going to execute. Very small concept and very important. Maybe in real time also we won't use it. Very rare cases we are going to use it. Take this example. Okay. How we can achieve? By using send keys. Syntax also you can note it down. Syntax for keyboard actions. If you know the syntax, you can able to do. See, actions, any reference is equal to new actions. Where we are going to perform actions? On driver. Then reference dot send keys we are using. Where we are using keys. What are the keys we are going to perform? Keys dot, we can perform space dot perform. Means it is going to click on space button, or simple. Same we are going to reference dot send keys. I want to enter button. Keys dot enter. It should be in capital letter. Dot perform. In this way, we are going to perform keyboard actions. See, I can tell you one more thing also. Observe very carefully. Just now I got some idea. I am going to take Facebook. I am going to click on login button. How I am going to perform login button? Using enter. See, without touching the mouse, without moving cursor here, just click on enter button. Simple. See, the same code I am going to use it. I am going to open this page and then clicking on the enter button. See what will give the error message. Observe very carefully. Very simple. Now I am going to take WebDriver Manager. And then you need to install driver. Anyone help me? I want to maximize my screen.
driver.manage.window.access
I want to open specific browser.
URL.
And after that, I want to click on enter button. How simple? Actions reference is equal to new actions over driver. Driver means this reference. You want to import this actions class. Just move cursor and select input. And then I want to perform keyboard actions. Actions dot send keys dot, I can say enter. What happened? Dot perform. Without perform, this won't get executed. See, if I remove perform, it won't be able to perform click operation. Not able to click on enter button. See, just it won't execute. Without perform, see, it is not going to give click button, something is not going to do. See, if I do the same thing by using perform, happily it is going to perform. Without perform, actions class won't get executed. Make a note. without actions class, without perform method. Perform method actions class won't get executed. That's it, guys. See, if I give like this, it's happily going to execute. After 2 seconds, I need to close my browser. Driver that, close. Just move the cursor, add through declaration. That's it. See, it is going to enter. Close the browser. 1 minute, guys. I am moving to another room. Give me 1 minute of time. By using this, see, once again I am going to run. It is going to open the Facebook page and directly going to perform click operation, enter operation. If we enter on the button with the help of keyboard, see, without touching mouse, if I click on enter button, it's going to show the error. Hey boss, see error. In the same way, it is going to do. See, if I run the actions class, it's happily going to fail the specific thing. Why means due to lack of entering the username and password. I think you observed. It's performed click operation, but due to invalid username and credentials, it failed to do the specific things. But this can be achieved by entering username and password, happily going to enter into the Facebook. No more problem. Okay, make this copy. Actually, in today's class, I am going to plan create the group of WhatsApp within your premises only. Me premises lone, I want to create the WhatsApp group and I want to take all your mail IDs once more so that I will get some more perception and some more idea. Okay. That's all about the keyboard and mouse actions. And the next concept is very, very, very important. XPath. Guys, observe very carefully. Next, today and tomorrow, whatever the things we are going to discuss in XPath, those are very important. Okay. What we are going to discuss, what is XPath? You need to ready to answer this question. XPath is used to identify unique objects in HTML DOM page. Okay, HTML DOM page means this is called the HTML DOM page. Hypertext markup language is called HTML DOM. This is called the DOM page. See, with the help of this DOM structure, we are going to identify the XPath if there is no direct properties. For example, if there is no ID, if there is no name, if there is no direct locators, we need to use XPath to identify the objects. How we can achieve the XPath means with the help of absolute XPath and relative XPath. In the interview room, they will ask you how many How many types of XPaths in Selenium? You are ready to answer. Very simple. There are 2 types of XPaths. In Selenium, the first one is the absolute XPath. Very, very, very important, guys. Not types, not absolute is not important. Types are very important. Absolute XPath. And the second one is, happily you need to say, relative XPath. These two are the XPaths which are using in the Selenium to identify the objects when there is no directive properties. What are the different types of locators? We'll recap one more so that I will give some more clarification. Can anyone tell me types of locators?
ID,
ID,
name,
name,
class,
name,
class name,
tag name,
link, partial link,
link text,
CSS, XPath, partial link
partial,
text,
I forgot
tag name,
tag name, XPath,
XPath and CSS.
and CSS. In the while discussing the XPath, I define one basic XPath. What is the basic syntax for the XPath? We define. We know that.
two
We know that
backslashes,
2 forward slashes. Sorry, basic
two, sorry,
XPath should be like this.
forward
Very important.
slashes,
2 forward slashes.
tag
Any
name,
tag name at the rate.
attribute name equal to value.
Correct. At the rate attribute name is equal to value. The same thing we are going to use to learn deep dive into the XPath. Okay, very important, guys. Next half an hour, please observe very carefully. You may confuse, but don't confuse. Try to understand. See, the first one is absolute XPath. It's very simple. No need to learn this. Absolute XPath. We need to say it is denoted with the single slash. This is called the single slash. Okay, which helps to identify object from root section. See, I will show you how it is going to get the root section. 100% I am not recommending to use it, but you need to know for the sake of interview room. 100% I am not recommended. See, you can say like this. Click on here and force hidden. We need to get the XPath, absolute XPath. How means 1 second. See how we are going to get absolute XPath means from the starting of this HTML DOM page, we need to get it. See, head, body, HTML. How see? Single slash. I can say that T body. Okay, where it is exactly T body, I will show you. Observe very carefully. From starting of this HTML DOM page, we need to start identifying the object. What is the first thing is there? Header. Okay, before that there is one more thing is there. 1 second, guys. I will tell you slash HTML slash head slash inside the head there is some divs will be there. script. Inside the script, there is a 24, 29 will be there. In which script this will be available? It may contain div. 1 second, guys. I will teach you. No one is recommended to use this, but I am telling. No one will tell you. Span. Script. Inside the script, there is script. Body. One second, guys. %, is not recommended to use it because it will make some confusing. 1 second. I can take one more better site for this Absolute XPath. 1 second. GitHub. We'll see this page. I want to identify this username. With the help of Absolute XPath, I am going to define it. See, where is my HTML structure? Will start from this HTML. Where is my liquid XPath? Here it is available. Here it is available, but the page will be start from here. Here it is going to start. So I need to use / head. 1 second, I am going to remove it. No head. First HTML. Sorry guys. HTML / head. Inside the head, where it is located? Inside the head, where it is located? Inside the head. Inside the head. 1 minute, guys. Inside the head, there is a body will be there. See, body will be there. So / body. Oh, why it is not showing? Head is closed here. Yeah. See, inside HTML, there is a body there. I will explain one more time. Don't be confused. Where it is started here. Inside this div, see, where is the axis for this body? Up to here. This line is showing somewhere. Observe very carefully. This line is showing from here to somewhere. This inside this body, where it is contained? Inside div, it is contained. So div. What is the number of div? 1, 2. It is second div. So I can take this div. Okay. And then I am going to take one more thing, that is where it is located here. Form. Div. One second, guys. Okay, right now leave this Absolute XPath. I can take some other time. 100% not recommended to use it. It makes confuse. Means Absolute XPath means we need to start from the starting of this HTML DOM page to here, up to here. Means head. We need to take like this. If I take this in the second area, so that you will get more idea. Docker insert to the second page. Observe very carefully, guys. What I'm saying is, if I want to identify any object by using Absolute XPath, we need to start from the starting of the HTML dump. From here, I need to start identifying the object, and then I need to find up to wherever my required locator is there. Up to there, I need to move the cursor. See if we identify. See, here is the HTML DOM page. Where it is, here is the HTML DOM page. If I go with absolute XPath, I need to start finding from here. Header, inside the header, there is what it contains inside the header. Come down, inside the head, there is a body. HTML, body, and inside the body, what it is contained? What is the exact name? Its name is div. This is the div. And then this div contains form. And this form contains input. Input. In this way, we need to identify. It will makes you some very confusedness and unable to. 1 second. There is a direct way. Absolute XPath. Absolute XPath. Yeah, we can try with one more approach. I know this. ఒక అప్రోచ్ ఉందండి, డైరెక్ట్ ఎక్స్పాత్ అబ్సల్యూట్ ఎక్స్పాత్ రాయొచ్చు. అది చూస్తున్నాను ఛానల్ అనే వాడక. Basically, no one will use this absolute XPath. 10,000% we don't use it. But I'll teach you how create XPath. See, copy XPath. See, it is going to give some XPath. It is not recommended. 1 second, guys. I will tell you. I can tell you. See, I can say that full XPath. See how it is looks like. See, HTML, body, div3, main, div4, form, HTML. See, enta pedda XPath andi. This is the best example of the absolute XPath. We cannot able to write. Even if you know the knowledge, it may confuse it after looking into this. This is called the absolute XPath and not recommended. See, this is starting from the HTML. Where is the HTML here? Observe very carefully, guys. This is the HTML. Inside the HTML, what is called body? Where is the body? Inside the HTML, there is the body. Where is this body, guys? Make me confused. Yeah, this is the body. Inside the body, which one? Div3, div1, div2, and somewhere is div3. Div3, yes or no? This is the div3. Inside div3, we need to go for the form. Where is the form? Inside this div3. This is the form. Inside this div, there is a form. Inside the form, there is an input tag will be there. Input. Inside the form, see input. Input. What is the input number count? 1, 2. In this way, we need to identify the object by using absolute XPath. It may confuse for you. I can show you one more example so that you will observe very carefully. I can use some easy sites. I can use some easy sites for you so that you can able to understand. What is the site for that? Yeah. See, for example, this is not recommended. This is a big page. See, if it is forgot page, see, this is the enter your username. In this password reset, I want to come to here. How to identify this object? Inspect. By using absolute XPath, I want to find. See how it is going to find out. See, what is the starting is there? HTML. Single slash HTML. And what is inside that? We need to use body slash body. Inside which div it is contains? Div3. This is div1, div2. Yes or no? See, I'm closing, expanding this, I'm closing this. Inside this body, this is a div1, this is the div2. So I'm taking slash div2. Okay. Inside this div2, what it contains? Div2 contains form. Inside the form, how much div number? Div 1, 2, 3. And then input. Any issue? HTML body, inside the body div 1, div 1, div 2. Yes, div 2. Inside the div 2 contains form. Yes, form. Inside the form contains div 3, div 2, and div 3, div 1, div 2, div 3, div 3. And inside the div 3 contains input. In this way, we need to identify the object. Even we are identifying this, it is not able to replicate because absolute XPath that was crispy and not recommended. Absolute XPath is always start from the starting of the HTML dumps. ఇక్కడ నుండి స్టార్ట్ చేసి ఎక్కడి వరకు అంటే అక్కడి వరకు వెళ్ళాలి. But I read this correct. See HTML. Inside the HTML there is a body. Yes, body. Inside that there is a div 1, div 1, div 2. This div, yeah, div 3, correct. 1 second. We'll try the div 3. No, div 2. Because this is one div and this is another div. This is one, yeah, div 3. 1 second, we'll try. Yeah, div 3. Inside this div, we need to use form. No, it contains some one more div. Inside this div, main is there, correct. Main is there. Inside the main, there is a div is there. What is the div number? Div 1, div 2, div 3, div 4. Main div 1. Okay. Inside that there is a div number. What is that? Div 1, 2, 3. Guys, sorry guys, I am also confusing because I don't have the experience in absolute XPath. Inside this div, what is the count of this div? See, form, no, yeah, inside form is there, div 1. Form. Inside the form, what is the div count? 1, 2, 3. Inside this, what is this label is there? Inside the label, input is there. No, inside them directly we can find it input. See, now it is going to identify input. In this way, we need to identify. Absolute XPath always starts from the starting root of the HTML DOM page. Finding from here, see, HTML body. Inside the body, what is there? Div 3 is there. This div 3, inside the div 3, there is a main is there. Inside the main, div 1 is there. Inside the main one, again contains form. Form contains div 3. See, div 1, 2, div 3. Inside the div 3 contains input. In this way, we are going to identify the object. Means it may confuse you while creating with the help of this absolute XPath. Guys, did you understand? Why means see, if I use this label means this label is closed, opened here and closed. This div is opened. Where it is closed? After this. See, observe very carefully. Where it is closed? It's closed here somewhere. From here it is open. From here it is closed. Where this form is opened, here the form is open. Here form is closed. Here div is open. Here div closed. Here form is open. Here form is closed. You know the HTML DOM structure? It may be like this. Anything it may be like this. Tag name. Inside this we can use anything, and close tag name. Inside this, we can use any number of tags, any subtags. We can use subtag like this, div, and again close this div. Okay, inside this div, we can use some more subtags. I can say that input and input, close input. Okay, inside this input, we can use some more thing. It contains form. Form, we need to close it again. How single slash form. See how it is looks like. First, it may be any tag name. Inside the tag, it is contain div. Inside the div, it contain input. Inside the input, it contain form. Inside the form contains input. In this way, it may confuse. See where open this input. Here it is open. Here it is closing. So tag start from starting. Observe very carefully. Here tag name. Tag name is closed here. Here div. Div is closed here. Input. Input is closed here. Form is open here. Closed here. In the same way, here also HTML start with from here. Where HTML started here. See HTML started here. Where it is going to close on the end of this page. See. So I am taking HTML. Inside where it is contained body. Where body is started here. Where body is going to close. Inside the body only it contains. Here body is closed. Inside the div3 is there. What is the div3? This is the div3. Where it is started? See, it started here and closed up to somewhere. See, observe very carefully. This line is up to somewhere, up to here. Inside this div3 main is there. See, observe very carefully. In this div3 main is there. Where is main? Yes, see here. If I open main, see how the line will be there. See, up to main where it is opened, somewhere like here, up to here main is open. Inside main some div will be there. In this approach, we are going to identify the objects by using Absolute XPath, but it is not at all recommended. Absolute XPath is not at all recommended. Why it is not recommended? See, note, Absolute XPath is not recommended for finding the XPath in HTML DOM page. What is the reason means? See, today I am using div3. Inside the div3 main is there. Where is the div3? This is the div3. Inside the main div1, div2, div3. Tomorrow my developer change this position to div2. What happened? It will happily fail. It may change the position. Today main is inside the div3. Tomorrow this main change it to div2. It may fail. Today inside the form there is a div3 is there. Tomorrow he removed this form. This HTML DOM page will change. What happened? Happily the positions will be changed. If any positions will change in HTML DOM page, automatically XPath will fails. This is the reason we are not able to recommend to use this Absolute XPath. Okay, Absolute XPath always denoted with a single slash, which helps to identify the object from root section. Very important for the interview room. They will ask you what is Absolute XPath. Absolute XPath is used denoted with single slash, which helps to identify the objects from root section. and it is called static. Static XPath. Why static means? Static means non-changeable thing. If you don't change the HTML DOM page, happily go with absolute XPath. Non-changeable XPath we will recommend. But 90% of 99.9% of applications always development will go on changing to the application. So automatically absolute XPath is not recommended. Tomorrow I can tell you some XPaths in relative XPath. Relative XPath. What is relative XPath? It is denoted. Guys, మీకు అర్థమైందండి? Anyone not able to understand? Please let me know, guys. Please. I can explain this one. Absolute XPath one more time. It is denoted with the double slash. It will start anywhere. See, basically absolute XPath will start from starting of the HTML DOM page, but it will start anywhere of the HTML DOM page. It is called dynamic XPath. Dynamic means changeable things also not able to issue. If any XPath will change as tomorrow, any HTML DOM page structure, no problem. We are writing that much of dynamically. Dynamic XPath in Selenium. Okay, there are different types of approaches will be available. The first one is basic XPath. Basic XPath you need to remember. 2 / any tag name @ attribute is equal to value. We used yesterday also this, and also yesterday we used to do text method. The syntax for this text method is like this: simple. Any tag name text comma value. I can say that text inside tag. Don't worry, I can tell you. And I can say that dot method. Yesterday we used it. 2 / any tag name dot equal to value. This is also not comma. Text is equal to value. Just the thing is, you need to remember. If you remember all these methods, all these syntaxes, you can able to perform any type of operations. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute, be online. Then we discuss about dot method, and then we are going to use contains, and then we are going to use starts with I will tell you everything. Ends with and I can go with the following, and I go with preceding, and I go with the following sibling. Very simple, guys. The only thing is remember of syntax, and I can go with the preceding sibling. These are the methods we are going to use in XPath how we are going to use it, how we need to helpful for identifying dynamic objects. Everything I am going to tell you guys. Okay, no need to worry. That's all for today's session. Actually, what happened? The issue is here there is a two WhatsApp groups is there. So some is belonging to the institute, some is my students, some are belonging to the other institute, making me some confusion. So to clear all this confusion, can we create one new WhatsApp group? Okay, someone take the initiation and create one WhatsApp group and take all the students contact from here and add me in that group also for me also. Can I speak in Telugu? ఎవరో ఒకరు ఇనిషియేషన్ తీసుకొని అందరినీ యాడ్ చేసి ఒక గ్రూప్ లో అందులో నన్ను కూడా యాడ్ చేయగలరు. వాట్ ఎవర్ ద
Okay,
స్టూడెంట్స్
bro.
అవైలబుల్ ఇన్ దిస్ క్లాస్. Okay, so that there may be no confusion. As of now I have nearly two groups are there. I'm not able to post videos, I'm not able to do something, and due to this there is some misconception is going on. To overcome this misconception, anyone take the initiation who are regularly attending my classes, for those people can create one WhatsApp group and take all the contacts number and add me also in that group, so that it's pretty good. If I creating the, yeah, I'm taking your contacts numbers, again saving in my laptop in my mobile. This makes some misconception for us. Take anyone, Nagesh, Shiva, Chaitanya, anyone, Ankita, please do it and add me in that group. Me also, I can share my contact number. You people can share yourself accordingly. And see, this is my contact number. Or I can go with this number. 7097959158. Yeah, add this contact number. I can make someone as a organizer, so that you can I can make you someone as an organizer. Continue this session and move forward and take the initiation. Anyone ask me request for the organizing, or you can continue this session and take all the contacts numbers from this group and create one WhatsApp group. Please add me in that group. Make me as a admin, and I will post everything in this group, and freshly I will share all the recordings if you shared your mail IDs, respective mail IDs. Okay. Please guys, someone take me this initiation. Anyone? Nagesh, you can go forward this session. Hello Nagesh, Shiva, anyone?
Yes, yes, send me, bro, numbers.
Okay, everyone share the name, contact numbers in the WhatsApp group. Sorry, in this group, so that Nagesh will take all your contacts numbers and prepare one WhatsApp group and make me add in that group for me also, so that I can post everything to you instead of three WhatsApp groups. See, I can say that basically this institute people won't accept me to add you people in the same group. For example, someone from the Jason Institute, someone from the by Vandana group, and someone from the evening batch is there, and someone who is from Vandana group. Anyone is there? Chaitanya is there? Any other?
Yeah, Mohan. Yeah, Mohan. Yeah.
Yes, yes. So those people can go through this new WhatsApp group. I can post everything directly to this. Okay. Okay,
Okay.
Nagesh.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. After completion of your things, Nagesh, please take the initiation. You will go forward. Okay, I am leaving the session. You can do this, Nagesh. Okay, bye.
Sure, bro.
Hello, Nagesh.
Yes, bro. And grading, bro.
Bro, Chaitanya 1 and 2 both are is there, both members are came.
Okay.
You, mail ID also must should share.
Bro Samir. Bro Samir. Samir.
Samir Unnisa?
Bro. Yes, your number is not showing WhatsApp.
WhatsApp is there. WhatsApp ఉంది నా నంబర్ కి. కోడ్ యూజ్ చేశారా?
Oh,
Yeah, hello.